Her mummy dates to before 300 BC, and she's desperately in need of a little bit of TLC. So we are here today doing conservation, basic cleaning and stabilization of the mummy. Well, first of all, this morning we got the mummy out of the coffin, what's called the trough, or the back of the coffin, for the first time in probably over 100 years, and found the painting of a goddess on the inner surfaces of the coffin trough. Never before seen, very nicely painted, even with tears running down her cheek. One of the things we've been finding more and more today is how important she must have been socially. You can be in a museum or in a library and see possibly a mummy in a case and just think, no, that's just an object. No, these were real people. These were people who had meaningful lives. They meant a lot to their next of kin and had a full life and was part of an extended family. All of the same kinds of things that we, think about ourselves in our own lives.